Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Intel Korea. In CADian CAD, you can perform an incremental double-sided offset by specifying the distance during the offset execution. Let's examine the incremental double-sided offset feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. When you click Utility, the modification menu is displayed, and you select Incremental Double Offset Distance. First, select the object. Click 2 points with the mouse to specify the offset distance. The offset is performed incrementally on both sides at the specified distance. This is convenient when you need to perform multiple double-sided offsets at varying distances. We've demonstrated how to use the utility feature of CADian CAD for incremental, double-sided offsetting. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.